Today we've got all the plants arriving at site, and all of the beds are being put into place around the waterfall and the patio. We've got water in the pond, so some of that life starting to happen, and we'll hopefully be planting and placing all the plants appropriately this afternoon, and just getting those final touches. Those are, you know, kind of the special touches that happen when all the plants go in. Everything kind of comes to life. The hard structure is great, but once the plants go in, it just gives it that softness and that homey feel that allows it to kind of be, you know, just a special cozy courtyard place. This is a dragon's blood sedum, and it gets a really pink flower on it. It's a great waterfall plant just because it doesn't need a lot of moisture. It actually takes moisture from the stone. So we put it in the crevices with the rocks and stuff, and it just fills in like you see here. It's nice long traily kinds of plantings, and it helps us to tuck in. Probably doesn't hide the liner, but it kind of holds the soil at the edges. So these guys get planted in the middle, so that you get kind of that nice bordering effect, and then the foliage right around the edge of the pond that kind of fills and softens that rock to garden edge. So these are the sombrero echinacea. Fabulous flowers. They have big thick stalks, and so they come up just beautifully, and they flower for the mid part of the summer, and they give us that bright shiny color. The bees and the birds and the butterflies, everything loves them. This one here is a white swan anemone. It's fabulous because when it first comes out, it has this dark purple spin at the back of the leaves. These ones are just ready to flower again, but you can see a tiny bit of it left. And then they go into these beautiful white flowers. So they're quite pretty. And they give us that real nice fill. They start in spring, and they actually run right through summer and fall. So they are really a nice fill plant in the middle. The anemones, the Japanese anemones in any way, are really a specialty plant, and they love our zone. They love growing here, so they're having a really good time. We always try to kind of recycle and reuse. So we went through the plants. We used some of the irises. We were able to split them and put them in around the pond. We were able to take some of the roses and transplant them into different strategic spots. And we have a bleeding heart that we were able to pull as well. So we always try to go through and make sure that we can use as much plant material as possible. It always makes everything look fuller and lusher, and just at the end of the day, it's a little bit of what was here blended in with what we've done new.